Hey you guys, Jazmine Viktoria. Welcome back to another YouTube video. Thank you for tuning in. Do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss any of my latest videos. And like the title says, my birthday just passed. It was January 13th. I had an epic party in Hollywood. So what I'm gonna do is my birthday haul. It's a mixture of what I bought for myself and some things that I was gifted by friends and family for my birthday. So let's get right into it. The first thing that I want to get into is these scents from Bed Bath & Beyond that my cousin gave me. He had a card, but my OCD is so bad that when I cleaned up from the party, the next morning, I threw the card away. I threw away 2 cards. The first fragrance is Coconut Cream Pie. And we're gonna smell this. I normally like fresh fragrances. This smells really good. Oh my god, that smells so good. Coconut cream pie. And I don't really buy body sprays. The second is 1,000 Wishes. Oh my god, coconut cream pie. Life. Thank God he's the only one that got me fragrances. Otherwise, I wouldn't have any space for anything else. Now this is really fresh. Coconut cream pie is like really warm. Like on a rainy day, you wear that if you're gonna be like cuddling up or like, you know, you've got your sweatsuit on. That's what coconut cream pie is. This is for a nice warm day. 1,000 Wishes. Bed Bath & Beyond. Ooh, go ahead, Jazz. You look like a Barbie. Next we have Rose. I've actually sampled this in Bed Bath & Beyond. So I kind of know what this one smells like. I know it smells so good. Get a whiff of that. I wish you could smell it. It smells so amazing. Okay? That's those 3. And the paper is so cute. Little hat. I had this type of tinsel on my tree. Okay, and then next is the necklace from my cousin Morgan and her dad, and my favorite designer is Chanel. So this is the necklace. It's a little tangled. Hanging a little lopsided there. There we go. My cousin Morgan, who also did my hair. Thank you so much. I just love her, and I love this. I cannot wait to wear it. Now the next gifts that I'm gonna show you will be. So all of the next items are things that I bought for myself for my birthday because I deserve it, right? Right. All right. So we will start off with the clothes since this is the closest to me. And these are going to be Chanel items. Okay. And like I said, I deserved these things. So, first item are these Chanel jeans that are absolutely fabulous. Okay. And if you've never had Chanel merchandise, how cute is the hanger? Ugh. Did I? Okay. These jeans were, not gonna tell you, 2000. Yeah. Okay, next we have this gorgeous, how cute is the hanger again? Chanel hoodie or zip up. And you know what's so funny? This was actually more expensive than the jeans. Just regular sleeves, nothing on the sleeves. It's the back. It's the back for me, right? Okay. Let's put this back. We don't want any dust to get on there. I love that stuff so much. And I've never had any Chanel jeans. So I was excited to get those for myself. And it's okay to treat yourself. Work hard so that you can spend money on stuff like that. Oh, I forgot the card from my fiance's mom. So this card says, it says Jazz. She spells it with 2 S's, which I thought was really adorable. Card. Because you're more like a daughter than a daughter-in-law. I know that's right, Mom. Because our whole family thinks of you so completely as one of our own. Because you're the kind of mom any kid would be lucky to have. I'm really emotional with stuff like this. You're wished a birthday that's filled with bright and beautiful moments. Happy birthday, love, Mom. And inside was a Nordstrom card with $440. Yes, $440. So I was like, help, and yeah, you know, who doesn't need stuff from Nordstrom's? I wear Tom Ford lip liner, Chanel mascara, like, honey, I need this for $140. Okay. So we are going, oh, hold on. Stuff is heavy. Oh, okay. First thing we've got is a new Louis Vuitton bag, right? Right. This bag is such a cute bag, and we're not going to talk about prices, honey, because that's just tough. Right? Right. It does come inside of the box, as well as it has the dust cover on it, and the bag. Dun 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 dun. Don't mind me. I always wear gold, so I do not like bags with silver hardware. No silver hardware for Jazmine Viktoria. So this is the new 2020 Louis Vuitton bag, and it can be a long chain or you can wear it short. And basically all you do is turn the L to the V and it opens. Very cute bag, just black inside. No zipper compartments or anything like that, just 2 slips. Okay. Very, very nice. And this is regular leather. It isn't a calf skin leather. The leather is durable, so you can, you know, wear the bag. You don't have to be worried about damaging the leather because it isn't a calfskin leather. And when it comes to Chanel, I do prefer calfskin leather over the caviar, if you even know what I mean. But yeah, that is that. I've got more for ya. I forgot about this. This is just a Fendi beanie. Whatever, you know? Wear it. That'll be so cute. And then, I got some Givenchy slides, because I lost my other ones. Well, I just lied. They got, when someone stole my car, they took my sandals. But yeah, my favorite Chanel. Right? I am the Chanel mommy. So we will go ahead and open the box. Same way we did with the Louis Vuitton. And it's not Louis Vuitton, it's Louis Vuitton. Okay? Chanel does come in the duster. We will take her out of there. And even though she's smaller than the LV bag, she was $1,000 more than that bag. And that bag was not $2,000 or $3,000. This is her with the CC. Gold CC detailing, which we're going to cover back up because we don't want to get that damaged. And then this does as well come with the long strap. And the back is just, and this is not calfskin leather. This is caviar leather. But that's fine because I absolutely love this mini. Technical difficulties. And yeah, that is my birthday haul. So please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video. Be sure to follow me on Instagram. My name will be listed. My Instagram name will be listed below. And thank you so much. I'll see you next time. Just cannot get this freaking thing in there. There we go. You kids take care now. Yeah.